I'm gonna try this mask out to end my skincare routine of the day as well. Seed Real Collagen Mask. True collagen of 100% natural seaweed seed supports elasticity, suppleness, firmness for a youthful look. Firstly, pour the 30 ml water into the seed pack container and stir them with spatula until the pack thickens. Looks like this. It looks like a dumpling, you know? It looks like tong yin. I heard so much good stuff about these stuff that they really help to soften the skin, firms up the skin. We're gonna try to make this work, okay? Looks weird, doesn't it? For beauty, we do this. Anyway, it smells very natural. It smells like rice.
Now I look really weird.
Okay, I did it, guys. Seems pretty hard to distribute, so you could see that some of the places is thicker and there are some holes, but that's the best I could do. And I know I look funny. It says here to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes and then just remove it. No rinsing needed. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. Alright, so I've removed everything. Funny story. I wanted to remove this.
It's actually my mole.
My skin feels a little bit tighter and it's so soft.
Honestly guys, it feels so soft.
Okay guys, so this is my second attempt.
Since I did it so well the other day.
I must say that I have successfully distributed them evenly. It looks pretty good, right? Practice makes perfect. And I have to say the results are amazing. So of course I don't mind doing it again. Same thing guys, my skin is feeling so soft, so plump up, feels so good.